So I've been using this Bose QC25 for quite some time now, but is it still relevant in 2021? Let's find out. Cue the intro. What's happening, beautiful people? My name is Jim and welcome to the channel where we review smart home product devices and discuss everyday tech like this one that can help make our lives a little bit easier. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on that notification bell as well. Also, I have my show notes down in the description box below. To support this channel, I also have my affiliate links to the products that I use and I review, like this one, and products that I recommend as well. So check it out down there. It was 2015 when Bose released the Quiet Comfort 25 or the Bose QC25. It was the successor of QC15, and when it was released, many considered the QC25 to be the standard for noise cancelling headphones. Now officially, the QC25 has been discontinued as it was replaced recently by the QC35. And even then, the QC35 has also been discontinued. But if you can find a QC25 out there at a reasonable price, say, less than $100 or something along that line, it actually is still a very good noise cancelling headphones. Like I said, I've had my Bose QC25 for at least 5 years now, and I'm still using it. The noise cancelling feature has not diminished at all. I was still able to use this, flying when flying was still a thing, and I still use it up to this very moment, especially if I had to work around my children and the noise is just too much. I just put this Bose QC25 on and now the noise has been eliminated, especially if I put some music on as well. I also feel that the Bose QC25 is very comfortable and the ear cup cushions have not sagged at all. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. I can walk around the house with my headphones on and it doesn't make me feel uncomfortable. Yes, I can feel it around my head for sure, but the weight just let me know that I can't just lower my head suddenly or else it'll fall. But sometimes, poof! There you go. That's what I mean. And the sound. Now, the sound is still as good as the first time I've used it. The low ends, are still booming. The highs are still very clear. I still like listening to music with this thing, and most especially when I want to tune out myself from, my surroundings. Just want to be alone, This is good for that. So even in 2021, I can still say with 100% confidence that this is still a good buy, but only at a much lower price. You will probably not find any brand new QC25 in the market. Most, if not all, would be used. If you find a well-kept used Bose QC25, buy it. You will not regret it. Alright, beautiful people, thanks for staying with me until the end. If you have not, please click on that subscribe button down there and click on that notification bell also. And as always, I will see you in my next one. Bye!